channel if you are an older subscriber of me, and welcome to my channel if you are newer viewers of my channel. My name is R.A.R Music. I am making music, I do beatboxing, I am teaching beatboxing, I do some reaction videos and also reviewing videos of beatbox especially. And I also do, recently I just love to review devices that I just bought. So now I will review this is from the Unimax. The Unimax is one solution best experience. So this is the store in my country. But what I bought from Unimax, let's see here. So the box contains this. This is the Ringke. I don't know how to say it. Ringke. I don't know. I will say it Ringke. So I will open the bubble wrap here to show you what is Ringke. It's actually I kind of unexpecting the Samsung A52 comes with the already casing, the silicone casing, the clear silicone casing. I'm not expecting that, and that's the main reason why I buy this, because it is the casing for my new Samsung A52. If you want to see the unboxing and the review, you can see my other videos. So this is it. This is the Ringke, as you can see here. Our best protection is designed with you in mind. So what is this? So this is the 360 technology, tailored cutouts, military grade protection, enhanced grip, and quick catch lanyard hole. So you can access the ringke.com. It is made in Korea. So actually Ringke is maybe the only, I don't know if other other phone casing has this much of protection. So we will open this. You will see the sign here for Galaxy A52, and you could see here military grade protection, drop tested, male STD 810 gram, 516.6 USA. I don't understand what that means, but if I see from the specification, and this is, you will see here, you will check it. Okay, so if this flash on in video mode, it is the original. Let's open it. I want to feel this casing. For the screen protector that I last review, that I reviewed in the video before, I'm not opening it because it needs careful. What I need to be careful, because when it stick to the surface, I can't open it again. So I just want to use it on my A52 very gently. So you will see here, remove the outside film. They say the inside film and the outside film. So there are the outside film, there are the inside film, and I need to remove both of it. So this is the clear casing, but with the side of the black accent. It actually has every button that I need to operate my A52. You can see this is also, sorry, and also this one. So all the buttons, or all the hole is there. So they made this specially for the I think if you are a Samsung phone user, you need to buy the Ringke case, because it is the strongest case in the market, and they tailor it with every almost every Samsung model for phone model. Yeah, that's it. That's the Ringke. Whew. Maybe this is the last thing that I will review about phone, because next week or next video, I don't know when will I upload that video. I will review my newest laptop, and after that maybe I will review many things, because I will buy not many things, but it's just that time when I spend my money for my content or something like that. And that's it. That's all from me. Thanks for watching and see you next time.